Today, my Tesla is going to drive us to Walmart completely on its own, and you'll see just how good FSD can handle everyday driving in Canada. We start our journey going east on Finch Avenue, towards Highway 400. I'm going to speed up red lights so you don't get bored. It comes to a complete stop very smoothly. And the visualization on the screen is very cool, and it shows almost everything around the vehicle. The Tesla starts to indicate its right turn signal even though the on-ramp is further up the road. It must be thinking this parking lot could be the on-ramp, but it's not so sure. But once the light turns green, it goes past it and figures out where the actual on-ramp is. It gets up to highway speed very smoothly and merges onto the highway very well. It gets off at the correct off-ramp, but now it's not in the proper lane to go straight, and starts to indicate left to hopefully merge. I was so nervous cars behind me were gonna honk, but no one did, and it merged well. It makes the turn into Walmart very smoothly, and then it turns into the parking lot perfectly. I hope this video was helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more. Comment down below where I should let my Tesla drive me next. Thanks for watching. See ya.